Welcome to Kids Corner, where the fun is always here.
Hello, kids. Are you ready for an adventure through the alphabet? Buckle up, because we're zooming from A to Z with some awesome words. Let's go. A is for alligator. Snap, snap. Look at those big teeth and that long tail. Alligators love to swim. B is for bear. Big, strong, and sometimes a little sleepy. Bears love honey and long naps. C is for cat. Cats love to nap, stretch, and chase their toys. D is for dog. Woof, woof. Dogs are friendly, playful, and love to wag their tails. E is for elephant, the biggest land animal with huge ears and a long trunk. F is for frog. Frogs love to jump and swim in the water. G is for giraffe, the tallest animal in the world with a super long neck. H is for horse. Horses run fast and love to gallop across open fields. I is for iguana, a cool lizard with a long tail that loves basking in the sun. J is for jellyfish. Wobble, wobble. This graceful sea creature floats in the ocean. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos jump super high and carry their babies in pouches. L is for lion, the mighty king of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to climb trees and eat bananas. N is for newt, a tiny, slippery creature that loves water and looks a bit like a baby dragon. O is for owl. Owls stay up late and have big, round eyes. P is for penguin. Penguins love cold places, and even though they can't fly, they swim super fast. Q is for quail, a small bird with cute little feathers on its head. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to munch on carrots. S is for snake. Snakes slither and flick their tongues to smell the air. T is for tiger, the wild cat with bold orange and black stripes. U is for urchin, a spiky little sea creature that hides among the ocean rocks. V is for vulture, a big bird that flies high with super sharp eyesight. W is for whale, the biggest animal in the ocean that sings underwater. X is for X-ray tetra, a tiny fish with see-through skin. So cool. Y is for yak, a fluffy animal with big horns that lives in the mountains. Z is for zebra. It looks like a stripy horse and loves to run. Great job. Keep exploring and learning with us. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.